Maybe I should get some ice. Come on. Oh, dang. I spilled it. Well, that's gonna take a while to clean. Yes, put it right there. Alright, thank you. Alright, gotta put the cup back in. Oh, what a long day at my studio today. What am I gonna do, Mr. Bubbles? I don't know, Mr. Purr, but you'll have to figure it out yourself. Mr. Bubbles, come on. Anyways, it's the end of my work day anyways, so I should get going. Alright, gotta go. Alright, time to get to my washer. Let's see what happens here. Mamma mia. Let's see what's in the fridge today. Ooh, so much to pick from. I don't know what to choose. Oh, just a second. Let's see here. Okay, I've got to take the dishes out. Haba. I have to do so much work all the time. Okie dokie. It's time to go in there. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, I only need one plate for the day. Gotta... Oh. Hey! Arrgh. Come on. Finally, thank you, Honor. You're welcome, Mr. Purr. There, I gotta fix up your kitchen, but don't embarrass me. Alright, gotta take my plate. Now it's time to get something to eat. Okay. Alright, right there. Let's see what we have today. Hey, don't beep at me. I'm still deciding. Come on. Okay, button chips, cheesecake. Strawberries, cheesecake. Okay, so we have a cheesecake here. Is that too small? Yeah, I think that's too small to eat today. I'll just have an apple. Okay, gotta close up the fridge here. Yep, right there. Now it's time for me to relax. Oh boy, here we go again. Alright, let's answer it before they hang up. Come on. Hello? Yes, who are you? Oh, Kiki. Wanna come over? Okay, see you there. Oh, I guess Kiki's coming over. Let's see when she answers the door. Oh my goodness, there's Kiki knocking on the door. Hello, Kiki. Hello, Mr. Purr. Am I ready to come in? Yep, you can come right in. Nice house, Mr. Purr. What were you about to do? I'm sorry if I disturbed you. Oh, well, I was just about to eat my apple and get a snack, but since you're over, I shouldn't complain. Oh, well, I should have a tour then. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got a cool dishwasher, a nice little smart fridge, and your snack. Alright, I understand what you were doing. I might as well just leave. Don't leave, Kiki. You can stay here if you would like. Now I have to go to my important business anyways. See you then. Okay then. Well, here goes another day. Now that Kiki left, I can get to my snack without any interruptions. Who will be it? Let's see who it is. Hello? Oh, hi. Who are you? You're a telemarketer. Jeez, I'm not dealing with you anymore. Hang up. Right now. Hubba my bubba. Now it's time to get back to my snack. Alright, gotta put in the password. Alright, internet access unlocked. Let's get inside. Okay, everything's good. Alright, I'll have some milk. Pour it into my glass. And I'll select one more snack, and I hopefully will be done for the night. Whew. Okay, my milk. Let's put it in. Okay, got my milk. Now it's time to slice a strawberry for me. Whew. Come on. Come on. Before anything else happens. Ah. Whew. Now it's time for me to eat. Here we go. Okay. Now I just need my spoon. Come on. Spoon, thank you. A couple minutes later with no interruptions. Okay, finally done. Drank my milk, all of it. Ate my stuff, all of it. And put everything back. Now I'm finished and it's time to relax.